How to fix Roblox content not accessible issue. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox content not accessible, and to access this experience, update content maturity settings. If you are facing this issue, then you will need to follow this simple step to adjust your content maturity settings. To do so, first of all, open your Roblox application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Roblox account. You may also use the Roblox official website, which is roblox.com, on any of your web browser. Now, once you are signed into your account, you will land on this homepage of the application. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the option More. Tap on it, and then from this page here, you'll need to scroll down to find Settings option. Once you look at the settings, tap on it, and in this page here, you will need to select the privacy option. Once you select privacy, you will be taken to the privacy section. Here you'll be able to see some more options related to privacy. From this menu, you will need to look for content maturity option, and then once you locate it, tap on it to open it. Inside it, you will see a slider that adjusts your content maturity level. You will need to move the slider to the right side to allow access to more mature content. These options range from minimal to restricted, and if you slide it to the restricted, you will allow access to all types of games. If you are under 13, you may need parental consent to access certain content levels. Also ensure that your account is 17 plus in order to access the restricted mode. Now once after doing that, close the Roblox application and refresh the page if you are using a browser, and then again reopen the Roblox application. Now you can navigate back to the game where you are trying to access, and then there check if you can enter without encountering this issue or not. So by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the content not accessible error in your Roblox application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.